Hey Sunflowers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, you see, I got a new avatar. I am excited. I am happy for him. Thanks to Aiki, she bought me it. I just wasted my money. It's already 86 and I have a perfect plan what to buy with this. So, I was just scrolling through TikTok and you know what I saw? This thing. It says, feel free. This is a way to enter a giveaway and get more change. So, this girl, okay, wait, let me look at it again. Okay, let me just, and also, so if you want to buy Adopt Me pets, you can there's a girl named, wait, let me just watch it again. Like the song. Yeah. So the name is called QDOPT capital M3. You can also try this, but you have to do it with Robux. It only sells with Robux. So let's start to the search. So it's QD0, I think. Yeah, it's 0 PT and M3. So go to players because you want the players. So Ariana Grande made a account. I play Roblox now. I'm joining this group. Okay, so she is online. Wow. Guys, I think she just earned some Robux and he did that. She looks cute. Okay, girl, if you're watching this, you look cute. I don't know if this fake or real, but I'm gonna have to try it for you guys. So selling stuff in. Okay, so if I go to stores, oh my gosh. Okay, passes gear for this game. Oh my gosh. A neon giraffe? Wait, donation. Guys, this is a candy candle. This is starting to, I'm starting to feel like getting a scam or something. So let's play this game to see what is, oh, that's creepy. What is going on? So I'm just gonna close my phone. Okay, so that is literally creeping me out. Okay. Oh. So let's. Okay, so this is a private server, I guess. This is not the thing I was expecting. So I think we only have to buy it in the store. Oh gosh. Let's, yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna buy it. Guys, say bye-bye. Your balance okay. I bought it, guys. I bought it. Hopefully I don't get scammed because I just got my money. I just got my Robux just today. So, let's just go to Adopt Me. Hopefully this is not fake. Wait, let me look at it again. Oh, Aiki's in the game. Let's just. Oh, she's a cat too. Let's join her. Okay, this is scary. She didn't show anything she didn't show me what is the after. So I'm getting scared right now. Okay. Aiki just sent me a message. What's your? Oh, Aiki just called me. Aiki, I'm doing a YouTube channel.
Teresa, I'm about to do the hack. What is the username of the girl?
I sent you the thing.
Yeah, but I can't open TikTok.
Oh, okay. So, I'm just gonna... So, let's just see it. She's about to do the hack because she just got Robux too. So, let's go. Okay.
What's the username?
It's small letter Q, small letter D, 0, small letter P, small letter T, and capital M and 3. This is not working.
Can you
guys.
say it again? I'm like drinking water. Okay, let me open my phone.
Okay. So it's Q. Just tell me if you got it.
Okay, do it now.
Okay. QD0, PT, capital M, and 3. Okay, come on. Okay, good. Loading house. Hopefully I got
There's no
meat.
accounts like that.
Oh my gosh. Let me just screenshot it and show it to you. Okay, share. Okay, let's just... Okay, guys, final reveal. What? Did I just got scammed? Aki, don't buy it. Guys, I think I just got scammed.
Don't buy what?
The hack. I got scammed.
What hack?
The neon thing hack. See? I didn't get any neon giraffe. So guys,
Problem, not mine.
Ike, I'm doing it for the YouTube.
I don't care. Your problem, not mine.
Well, at least I warned you. What if I don't warn
At
you?
least I didn't even know what you're talking about.
Whatever. And also, guys, I changed it. Ooh,
Okay, so like, can you tell me the username of the girl?
you're gonna get hacks. You're gonna get scammed.
By what?
By the hack.
I'm telling the username of the girl who did the Roblox icon, Teresa.
What? So guys, don't do that hack. I was wrong. Please don't do it. I do really wish.
Send it to me. No.
So, Kayla just said, how did I get Robux? And she always brag us to give her Robux, and I don't want to tell how many Robux.
What if Taylor watches your YouTube account, huh, Teresa?
But she don't really, so I don't really have to care about that. Boom. Oh.
Send me the username now and I'll leave you alone.
Give me some. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to end this video right now. I'll tell you before. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that.
Banana cows.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe,
and turn on post notifications so you know whenever
Turn
we
on-
post a new video. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. And Teresa's better explanation, so I'm just gonna say it. So bye, guys.
Okay, I'm not gonna buy it because this dude just say hi. Hi.
Bye, guys.
Like, stop it. You're not my mom.
I am.
This.
Bye.
Can you stop? Okay, guys, I'm just gonna end this. Bye, guys!